Hello students, as we have completed our chapter reading, we will move to exercise part. The first exercise, that is A exercise, which is complete these sentences in your own words. When the giant saw the children playing in his garden, he shouted angrily. He shouted, okay, shouted angrily. Full stop. Can you see? Now, next. As he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden, the giant wondered. What he wondered? Whether the weather would change. Meaning whether the north wind will go away. We'll write wondered whether, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, whether the weather would change. Would change. I hope you know the difference between this weather and this weather. This weather is the climate, season. This weather is may not. The giant's heart melted because, why his heart melted? Because he realized he was selfish. Because he realized he was selfish. Why selfish? Because he not selfish to not let the children play. Play where? Play in his garden. Alright, can you see? It's a little shaky and I'm sorry for that. But while writing it shakes a little bit. But okay. Now, next exercise is exercise number E. This is the fill in the blanks, as you can see. And here we have to complete with these sentences using little bit change in the form according to the sentences. Now, so in this we will doing the first one. The giant put on a notice saying that the trespassers will be prosecuted. ED, prosecuted. This is number 1. Okay, prosecuted. A secular state does not persecute people on the basis of their faith. Okay, I want you all to find out the meaning from the dictionary. Prosecuted, I have already given the meaning while chapter reading, when we were doing the chapter reading. The demonetization has dash small business. So we have effect and effect. What should be the result? Affect with the A. A-F-F-E-C-T-E-D. Affected. What is the difference between affect with the A and affect with the E? This is affect is a negative effect. Means when there is any bad result comes out, we use of this effect. And when there is a positive result, of some activity, we say affect. Like springs, when the season spring comes, what is the affect of that season we see in the garden is good. Then we use this affect. But when we say the entire state is facing floods, then we will use this. The state is affected by floods. Okay, I hope that is clear. So here demonetization has affected the small business. So it is a negative outcome it is giving. So we can use, where there is a negative effect, we use the word affect with the A. The dash of the campaign was felt all over the country. Then we will use the positive effect. So you'll write affect. AFFCT. Affect. Fifth, every day dash him on his new hairstyle. So we have compliment and compliment. So what will be the correct complement here? Compliment with an I. So this is fifth one. She is careful to choose colors that dash each other well. Compliment. Here this compliment is like more of an adjective form. You know, you're complimenting something, giving good reviews. But here compliment means to mingle properly, to mix properly, to look good. Okay, so here it will come compliment. Compliment with an E and compliment with an I. I dash with your cause and I will do everything I can to promote it. So what will be the answer for this? Sympathize. Sympathize, 7 number. Okay. A good actor is able to dash with the characters they play. That is empathize. Sympathize, empathize. I want you to find out the meaning. It is very interesting and simple. Okay, we will discuss the difference. I want you to find out first. 15th August 1947 is a what day? It's a historic day. Okay, historic day, 9th number. Do you have any historic evidence? 10th to your claim.